Hello! Let's do unboxing. Here we go. I bought this at an online shop. These are flashcards for my toddler. See these? Let's check one by one. Vegetables flashcards. Oops, some flashcards fell. Back to checking lol. Body parts flashcards. See animal flashcards. Fruits flashcards. Food flashcards. And animal flashcards. Showing them to you in 2s or 3s. They are nice. Aren't they? Picking them up one by one. I will be putting them in their rings. This takes time. So speed is now at 1.5 faster. Bear with me, okay? All done now.